Do you want to use PayPal to make money? You can do this over and over again and still generate more money than $200 or $300. This is so simple that anyone with prior expertise can finish it. This is available in every nation on the planet. It's completely free and requires no money to get started. I'll show you how to create a free account in this brief video and guide you through various step-by-step examples of how to achieve this. Using the copy-paste template I'll provide you as a bonus at the end of this video. You can start making money right away. To avoid missing any important instructions, be sure to watch the full video through the very end. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. You can make a lot of money very rapidly on a website called Capterra.com, which is I want to show you. Before you leave this movie or skip any of it, I have two warnings for you. The sign-up process is a little difficult to begin with. The sign-up process consists of 3 steps, as you can see, and you must follow them all. If you don't watch the complete video, you won't be able to sign up and make money. Second, you should complete viewing this video because the last few minutes will include a copy-paste template. As I show you exactly how to make money using PayPal on this website, you can copy whatever I do, because I'll give it to you for nothing at the end of this video. You should keep watching. Let me give you a detailed explanation of how it works. On Capterra.com, you may make money by writing straightforward reviews of different software. On this website, you can write a quick review for a huge variety of applications. You only need to submit a review to get paid for each one. You don't require any technological expertise, past experience, financial resources, or even a great command of English. You can follow along with me as I lead you through each step in this video from anywhere in the world. I'll show you how to just copy and paste the whole review I made for you. After seeing this video, all you have to do to start making money is copy and paste. Let's start writing a review right away. Visit Capterra's homepage first, then click the Write a Review link at the top. You'll be taken to a page where you can quickly search for any goods, businesses, or software you want to evaluate. If not, they will recommend a well-known program so you can write a review for it. Since PowerPoint is so simple and easy to use, I'll give you a special extra tip called Focus on PowerPoint and show you how to copy and paste my entire template. Scroll down below and click on the PowerPoint Microsoft link after typing PowerPoint into the search box. After that, you'll be taken a page where you can quickly post a review for PowerPoint. You may do this on your phone or computer. By scrolling down below, you can see the complete procedure for creating a simple PowerPoint review and making $15. It is finished in under 2 minutes. The additional steps are at the bottom of the page and are only the first one. This video consists of 3 steps in total, and I will guide you through each one, so that you can see the free bonus I'll be providing you. Make sure you stick with it all the way through. In the first portion of step number 1, you must first submit certain personal data. It's important to have a job title, since else they won't accept your review and you won't get paid. You can merely type self-employed in the organization name form, along with your first and last names, email address, and freelancer for the job title field. To find the industry you wish to choose, click the down arrow next to industry. If you currently have a job, you can simply select your current industry. If not, you can type computer software, since you'll be writing a review of the program. You can just choose myself only under company size, because you are an independent contractor. How long have you used this software? Free trial, less than 6 months, or more than a year will appear when you select this option. If you choose free trial, you will not be paid. Thus, you must choose at least 6 to 12 months to demonstrate that you have some experience using the software on your own. How regularly do you use this software? Is the second question in this procedure, and I want you to click on it and select at least weekly as your response. What is your role in using this software? To sum up, you complete the first stage by selecting next after selecting I am a user on this page, because you will be using the program and they will approve your review, allowing you to earn money. The next step is to rate the software you are now using by assigning it a star rating. Your selections will be subject to rating and selection. It only takes a few button clicks to complete this stage. Give all of this criteria a rating of 4 to 5 stars, which will make it much simpler for you to get approved. They want you to rate a few things, such as overall quality, which you should give them a rating of 4 to 5 stars for. Even though they say it's optional, I strongly suggest you read them to be accepted. Next, how does the pricing for PowerPoint compare to similar products? Again, this is optional, so make sure you answer it by choosing mid-tier. How likely are you to recommend PowerPoint to a friend or a co-worker? Choose item 9 from the list of 10 because it's a great program that I wholeheartedly endorse to others. If you only adhere to those straightforward instructions, you can do step 2 in under 10 seconds. Simply select next to move on to the final step. The third step is really important since this is where many individuals fail to earn money on this website because they don't know how to write reviews properly. You can give your review a title and go over the benefits and drawbacks of the products there. The next step is to summarize your PowerPoint experience overall. In this stage, there are many things that need to be written, and many people are stuck and unsure of how to proceed. You should continue watching this video because I want to give you the full script. As you can see, reviewing a PowerPoint presentation can make you $10 in under 2 minutes. You can earn $2 each minute and keep sending money to PayPal with this exact manner. You can earn $2 each minute and keep sending money to PayPal with this exact manner. Simply copy the response and paste it into the review. Because you'll need more reviews to keep doing it and continue to make money in the future, it's important to make sure your first few reviews are accepted. Many newcomers assume that once their initial submission is rejected, they won't get any further evaluations in the future. However, if you use my tested script, you can get approved and paid out within 24 hours. In a moment, I'll show you how to copy and paste my template. But for now, allow me to provide one more piece of advice. For instance, when you visit Capterra, you can see that other people are saying about PowerPoint. To see the testimonials that thousands of users have left about PowerPoint, simply scroll down below. As you can see, they list both advantages and disadvantages on their website. These are the actual reviews that other users have written, and they are making large profits as a result. You can see how many people, all of whom are being paid on a daily basis, are reviewing PowerPoint in a basic manner from different nations. You might acquire suggestions and inspiration for how they are especially creating the reviews. To add to the review, you can take some of the sentences and edit them with your thoughts. To assist you get a ton of inspiration and ideas for your review writing, I'd like to share one more strategy with you. The headline of the review should be PowerPoint Review, and in the pros section below, that you should list the aspects of the application that you appreciate. The script I generated for you is here. Just click copy to copy it, then paste it into this box to finish the pros. You are prompted to describe your overall experience using PowerPoint in the final question, which is optional. But you can see that many of the people who use this service to make money react to this question. For payment, you must answer this question. You just need to come back here and paste everything into this box. So I'll just choose my entire response, click copy, and then declare that this is my overall experience. This is the hardest stage of many people. But if you can get this copy and paste template and know how to use references to reviews that have already been successfully published by others, you can finish it in under a minute. For the inquiry, have you changed from a different product? You can just select no. Finally, click on this one to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the submit button, and as you can see, your product review has been submitted. You can simply repeat the process, maintain your momentum, and look for other different products or software to write a simple review and earn 10 in less than 2 minutes for. Once more, they provide thousands of different software products for which you may easily write a review and quote references. Simply conduct a Google search, read user evaluations, get inspiration from their comments, and then continue the process repeatedly. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.